This bushing over here is just a bunch of zip ties all around. I'm gonna cut this now. Okay, so I think there's how you can save yourself a towing bill if this happens to you out in the middle of nowhere. You just bring your cordless drill with the hole saw and you can work it out. Look down there. I'm doing it. It's worky. We'll see if it stays together though and how long. But I bet you can get at least a few shifts and get home. It's actually feeling pretty tight. I can even get into that gear. I think it only has 5. This says 6, and he had replaced this with a 5. And I asked him today why he did that, and he didn't know why, but maybe the transmission has been changed out. It does have 337,000 miles. Okay, I'm gonna try it. He's gonna join me. Ooh. I think I got it in reverse. Here we go. Ooh, we're moving. Here we go. Yes. It's even going into first easy, which is hard to do if you have bad bushings. Here we go.